Straight from the hood, bitch.
Hold on. Psycho. Mr. Oklahoma's in the building with Psycho Hard Life. All my real certified Oklahoma niggas stand up and vibe with me right now.
Let's
you a
get
real
it.
certified Oklahoma nigga getting guap. Stand the fuck
Let's
up.
get
Bring
it.
that shit back,
Mr.
Psycho.
Oklahoma.
Straight
From the 580 to the 918 to the 45. It's your boy Mr. Oklahoma in the building. Real certified Oklahoma nigga. You heard me? 4th gen representative. Get at it.
Straight from the hood,
Mr. Oklahoma. Welcome to my city where young niggas handle business. Where it's a must that we get this paper, get it how we live it. Country niggas on the mission, in the minutes in the kitchen. This is Oklahoma, welcome to the O. We bout that business, ain't no future in your front. So that front is something we don't do. Big homies stay licensed up, gave us the worship, get this look. Ride with me down Northeast 16, where my team, yes we a beast. And I'd advise you niggas not to end unless you got some heat. No polish, they love the beat. Eastside got some hella freaks, but off in Midwest City, getting blunt is where you find me. Oklahoma number soldiers, disrespect, yes you get folded. Choppers by the choppers, hey, I tried to tell them they didn't want it. Grimy as a motherfucker, we ain't fucking with you suckers. Pop off at your fucking mouth and watch how good we get the bustin'. Get it done with no discussion, cash and carry, get your money. 100 miles an hour dumping, ain't I Mr. Oklahoma?
straight from the hood, bitch. Straight from the hood, bitch.
Mr. Oklahoma. Pounds for the 5 fish and the whole chicken for 30. Niggas is money hungry, we low down and dirty. Zips for the A5, we hustling and stacking paper. We ain't fucking with haters. Oklahoma is major, I-35 hot as fuck. But fuck it, we need work. Fuck dealing with middlemans, we sliding in head first. Cause soon as it touch turf, we ripping for what it's worth. So major when in the kitchen, we rip till our wrists hurt. Off top, we stay alert. Certain moves, you get murked. Oklahoma niggas hungry, we eatin' plus want dessert. You call us some greedy bastards, we eatin' plus getting fatter. No snitching, but like a rat, we love getting to that cheddar. We hustle hard, it don't matter from rain, sleet, to snow. Trap houses on every corner, they moving like liquor store. Supplying them what they want, from crack, weed to funk. That 7-Eleven service, the homies got what you want.
Straight